are recording, I hope. Anyway, this is just how to set up a Streamlabs OBS Stream Deck, because that's what they're called. They're called Stream Decks. This one is called Glitch 2 by Nerd or Die, and this is what the template looks like. For all of them, like stream starting, be right back, and just chatting, and stream ending. So you really only need the 5 scenes, probably 4 if you're BRB and just chatting are going to be the same thing. But I'm going to show you how to basically set it up. If you're really fancy, you could make your own stream starting like this right here. I decided to put whatever game I'm playing. The main logo is glowing blue in the background, and my handle being sassmaster.exe.executable. I have it glitching around as it's being opened, and when it opens, it spits you here. Hello. Here we have the extra life showing up. Let's see if we have a top support bar. We have a bottom support bar that's blocked for some reason. Oh, it was on and now. Then we have the game capture. Oh, the game capture is basically Streamlabs. It's kind of a little Inception effect here. Display capture, which is the computer. So basically, if you wanted to stream something on your desktop, you turn this on, and I think that's why I have trouble when I alt tab. It takes me back here. That's also a problem because I only have one monitor. If you have 2 monitors, you could have it set up like over here or over here and have just your game, and Streamlabs is set up over here. So this is all in game. Then we have our BRB, which is be back soon. On my links, you could put a chat or a camera capture here, but like this is what the stream start looks like. It has stream starting, my handles, and what I liked to do is I put a game there just to say what I'm playing and all that. It's the same thing as the blue logo here, but so BRB, just playing whatever game. And as for Destiny, I'd put the Destiny 2 and then whatever season it was, but you know. For just chatting, this is the camera, and here is the chat box. So if we were to go live for a second, and then if I were to type I'm typing stinky ha, it'll show up here. So if someone's tuning into your chat and they type, just key smash again, it'll show up here. And you can put it, like again, this is if you have 2 monitors, you can put a chat widget on top of your game, because you'll be able to read this part on your second monitor. I don't have that, so this is jumping the gun, but I can press the number 1 on my number pad, and it pulls up a chat bar. press 2 and I can move it around. So like watch this. I press 1 again to bring it back up, then I type in hello, and it shows up there. So I can press 2 again, and then I can move it, press 1, and it shows up. So like if I'm playing a game, this is the game screen, I can put it here and press 1 and it'll overlay over what I'm playing, and it'll show up here. If we go back to in-game, see, hold on, press 2, drag it, press 1, there's chat. And it shows how, what the, and it shows up. Don't know why that's there when it's here. Oh, there's a chat box. I did not know that. That's good to know. Disable that, and then stream ending, same thing. You could, it's just saying your stream is ending. So now that is mine. Now if we go to scenes, I can show you like basically how to build it from scratch. So right now this is scratch. There's no scenes, but if we can see where the marketplace is, hello, or things. I think that's what it is. Yeah. Okay. So scene themes are gonna be what your I can't speak. Scenes are gonna be your main theme for your stream. So like if you like neon, we have the stream line, stream starting, and camera overlays and stuff. Now these are probably just After Effects files or exports. So again, if you're very like tech savvy or you have someone that's tech savvy, they can do this from scratch in After Effects. But just stuff that if you don't have After Effects or you, let's see if we can find the free ones. If I can't find the free ones, let's see. I can't find the free ones. Oh no, is it you pay? Ooh. So that actually, let's do this. Free Streamlabs scene themes. Oh, this is site. Okay. Yeah, that just makes me want to download it. The point I'm getting at is there are some free ones. I don't know where they are, but there are free. You don't have to pay for some of them. Because this scene like here, I mean it's yeah. Actually, hold on. regardless. Install Impulse. It's primed. So it's gonna make me pay for that. So, I will drop a link in the description comments when I find out how to get the versions. I know they can be. Let's go back to the dashboard. If I can find it, because I'm a big dummy boy. Nope. That's not what I wanted. What? There we go. We're in the editor. Okay. Now, let's just. Let's just here, because I have it. It is a blank. Alright. Here's a free version of the stream package by Nerd or Die. And it says delete, so we can delete it. We got our stream starting. So we can add our socials. There's my Twitter. I can add my YouTube channel, and I can add my Facebook. Over here's a schedule. You know, just you can change what the schedule is. Here's our BRB, our stream ending, our intermission, where I can add the camera, and let's actually do that right now. So we go down here, and we click Add Source, and where would it be? Video capture device. That is your camera. Let's fix this. So we go to Add a Source. Go to Video Capture. Go ahead, click Add. And now show the camera. It's me. Hello. And so, since let's add a new source. Let's call it Justin's Cam. Let's add it, and it will detect my camera. It should. Don't know I didn't, but that's how you do it. So let's remove this one. Add another one. Let's add the existing source. And then there's my face. Hello. And here, so right now it's the device's default settings, but I can custom set everything. But then that basically broke it. So let's do device default. And because it's all set up, click done. Now we can just drag myself under that. We just, hit the shift key and just stretch me out. Don't do that. Control Z. Let's just stretch this then over. I wonder if we hit Control they can be grouped. Alright. And then here's our chat box, and here is our in-game. We have this, and then let's add our camera again. YouTube. And then we have our support bars, and we have our stuff. And I think these are just the images. They are groups. Okay. And this is just code, so when someone donates or subscribes, this will be their name and the amount. So it'll be like Vistixel for 99. Actual label text might take up 60 seconds to update. We can change the font it happens, font style, Let's go back. And we'll go back. Here's our editable content. Yes, our editable content blocks. So now that we have that, actually, let's add our games capture. Alright, so now for some reason the game's not moving, probably because I just alt-tab down it because I don't have a second monitor. But here's what it'll look like when you're in game, and we can actually test widgets out right now. Let's test the widgets. Follow, subscription, donation, bits, and post. And then again, just chatting, go here, and stream endings like that. Just close out a follow, because that's kind of annoying. Yeah, that's it. Why is my game audio still playing? There we go. Yeah, oh, I do apologize. We forgot to go over the settings. So, let's hit 2. Alright, we can't, so for streaming, we have our Twitch, we can log in, we can link a Facebook, we can link a YouTube, and with Streamlabs Prime, we can add a destination for multi-stream. I think, like, OBS, Open Broadcast Software, can do this inherently, but the whole reason I'm making this video is because OBS is a pain in the ass setup. Streamlabs is way better, in my opinion, because I'm biased. So we can link your platforms for your general. This is like for your outputs, for your alignments, jargon stuff. For your output, we can do like encoders, rate controls, quality, profiles, all that you can all it should be fine being default, but if you need to tweak it, you can. There's the arrows that can do it. There's keyframe intervals. This is assuming for recording. You can set a recording path. You can record different formats, like if you just want, these are different, like, video formats. I choose MP4. Your audio tracks, again, your rate control and all that stuff. Your audio. You can set desktop mics and stuff, so if we go down here, we can see me speaking out of the mic and the aux. Let's go back to settings. And that's mic aux device 1. Now if we disable it, it will, let's disable it. Now if we disable it, it doesn't show up down here. Now if we default, then it'll show up. Hopefully. Yeah, there we go. Default, mic aux, and if you have multiple, like I have a desktop microphone that I also can set up, but I don't have it set up. We go to video. This is where you can change your screen stuff, so like what you're playing. It's gonna be 1920 by 1080 if you have a bigger one. You can set your custom res. Just set that to 1080 because it's what I have. Common FPS. Integer fractional, you should use common because that's what is common. With hotkeys, so like on my, hold on, let me set this up. So start recording can be comma, and stop recording can be slash. So let's watch this. If I hit comma, nothing happened. Okay, so let's do the chat one again. So if I hit number pad 1, hold on. If I hit number pad 1, it shows up. If I hit number pad 2, which was the movement, it's not working. I don't know. I'm dumb. Anyway, hit 1 again. And you could set basically hotkeys for anything to show up. But if we can have something that's called a Stream Deck, that is a device that'll sit on your desktop somewhere and it has a whole bunch of buttons on it. And you can map those to do certain functions, like if I hit one button, it does the come on. If I hit it, it does the stream starting. Why is my keyboard not working? I don't understand. Anyway, if I hit 1, it'll be stream starting. If I hit another button, it takes us to in-game, so on and so forth. Let's go advanced, which is what it sounds like, which is advanced settings. Scene collections is basically stuff that make things notifications, appearance, which is be your that'll be your dark and night theme, remote control, you can use a virtual webcam, and your game overlay, and that's basically it. So yeah, that's basically a rundown of Streamlabs OBS. I apologize if this is disjointed. I hope you got something out of this, and I will see you next time.